Talk about, say something, bitch.
I don't know.
He's camera shy.
I'm gonna be drunk.
Fuck. But yeah, today this bad boy gets some Fast and the Furious treatment because it's black, and this nigga's about to go steal a truck full of toilet paper and Lysol and wipes because of this quarantine. But yes, today we're actually going to go ahead and install this neon light kit. Let's see how this goes. So this was included. You got your light switch to cigarette lighter, control. This is your power source. You can either wire it onto power and ground, or this way. We got this kit because it's going to be a lot easier to put it through the cigarette lighter. And then these are actually the neons. Just got to figure out where we're going to mount them, and should be a pretty straightforward shot. Homeboy got hurt doing his push-ups, huh? Alright, update on the neons. We're about to put on the sides, the front. It's already on. But if you guys are gonna put these neons on a TSX, seats are actually pulled it off. But there's an access hole here, right under the seat. So we're gonna try to get this through so we can hide it up through under, and then bring it up to where we're getting our power source right there in the center console. But as you guys can see, this actually is almost gonna fit. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna file, which I got right here, simple Harbor Freight file. Yeah, my brother needs to get his fucking car clean. Look at this shit. Fuck, man. But yeah, I'm just gonna file in a little bit of this just to get the box to fit in pretty snug, pretty secure. And then right now I'm debating whether for the grommet itself, if I should cut a slit through to fit the box through, like have it go exactly, like go through, and then the slit will kind of close itself back up, and then plug it back in. But my kind of fear is if it doesn't sit too nicely, we might get water in the car. Still gonna figure it out, but I'll let you guys know. But for now, we're just gonna file this real quick and proceed to the next step. Oh shit! Shove it in, compa la verga. All right. Took a trip to Harbor Freight because we don't have where we want to stick the 3M tape, which is right here. It's not sticking too good, as you guys can see there. So we're actually gonna use these to secure them, because I think some kits usually come with them, but this kit doesn't come with them. So if you guys do buy a kit, make sure you guys buy the one with these. And we're just gonna drill some holes, have these be secure, and so on and so forth. But so far, for the most part, we already figured out what we're gonna do as part as this. So as you guys can see, there you go. We filed this down a tad bit, but we are gonna we're gonna slit this and then have the wire go through, and then we're just gonna put it in. But my brother's actually thinking he might just kind of push it in, but like kind of just leave the wire, not all these wires obviously, but leave like just one wire and then cut it through, so on and so forth. But we're gonna figure it out. But so far, I mean, he doesn't want to actually hide the wire, which I told him he should, dumbass. But he just doesn't want to take the time to do it, because he has some things to do today. We might do it later on or whatnot, but for now we're just gonna leave it like that, and the wiring down here, kind of just clean it up, maybe put it under this. But so far I'm doing some progress, and hopefully everything turns out good. Yo, Yo, what up, everybody? We are actually like halfway through right now with the neon. Only that I'm beat. It is fucking hot as hell out here. My brother right now, he's actually what's it called? Lifted the other side because we couldn't get under it anymore. This side is already done. The front, oh my bad. The front is actually already done. Everything, all the wiring is pretty much in there. We are just going to do the last minute things to get this going, and then we should be done for today. My brother is actually gonna record some of the LED lights, the license plate, all that stuff in the night so you guys can see how it looks. Same thing with the neons, and then I'll put them in the video, and that's pretty much for the day. He's out there, he's fucking dying too, but hopefully we can get this thing done and show you guys how it looks. Just to make sure, if you guys do want to tackle this, you guys are gonna need a couple things. You guys are gonna need a set of self-tapping screws, which make the job a lot easier. We were suffering, so this is our second trip to Harbor Freight. Yeah, and these for this side, we decided not to use the 3M tape because it was a waste of time. It wasn't even sticking, so we're using these and some self-tapping screws for the back. The front, we just used the regular 3M tape. It stuck on pretty good, no problem. We are just finishing this side up. Show you. And then we're buttoning up the wiring. The front is pretty much almost there. We just gotta pull it this way. We still have that hole that we showed you guys, and then after that, we have the rear there, so we just gotta route the wiring, and that should be it. So let's try to finish this up already. Almost done. Anything, we're gonna put some tape right here, and then we cut a slit on the grommet right here to make kind of like a little gap for the cable, so it still doesn't, what do you call it, like right here. I think it's already started to do it. Causing a little damage to it, but we don't want it to break through or whatnot, so we're gonna actually put some tape right here, put the grommet, and yeah, should be pretty much it. Everything else is installed, and we should be ready to go. Right, Angelo?
Yes, sir.
Got it on. Should be good to go. What up, everybody? So I hope you guys like that video and all the content that we've been putting up. We are going to keep trying to upload more. It just depends on what projects we got coming on, what things we got going on, but I'll try to post as much of it as possible and try to document as much as possible, since right now at the moment I'm the only one that's doing much of the recording and the editing. But we are starting off, so hopefully we can get the ball rolling, and we'll keep getting more and more content for you guys. Also, let us know if you guys like what we're doing, what you guys want to see. You guys haven't seen some of the cars, which would be considered my cousin's FD inspired sedan, Civic, and you guys seen the TSX. You guys seen my TSX, which is the blue one. You guys seen obviously my brother's TSX, the Integra, which is Felix's, and we do have a Beamer, an E46, but it's actually gunning down right now at the moment. But we are going to be swapping out the door on that car pretty soon, in a couple in about a month. And the car that I'm currently driving right now, which is an Acura TL 2004, which I am going to be uploading. I'm going to be getting some seat covers, so I'll post that for all the guys that have a TL as well in that community. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying you guys Memorial Day, and hope everybody's being safe. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and let us know what you guys think so far. So thank you, everybody. See you guys on the next video. Peace.